Get set for fun with Buyandy.Store's weekly wow factors, where every pick is a click that sticks. Organize in a snap with our adjustable storage drawer divider. Retractable and versatile, it's the perfect fit for any drawer, keeping your kitchen and home tidy and efficient. Upgrade your tech game with the Booty 9-in-1 cable stick. Fast 5G BPS card reader, multiple cables in one, and a handy phone cradle, all compacted into one sleek tool. Essential for the tech savvy. Make repairs a breeze with our electric soldering iron gun, featuring handheld convenience and automatic tin feeding for a smooth soldering experience every time. Speed up your kitchen routine with our 2-in-1 cup scrubber. This nifty gadget cleans glasses and mugs effortlessly with its dual brush design, ensuring no spot is missed. Stick it to your sink and see the sparkle. Add a perfect touch to your walls with our cute cartoon cat hooks. These kawaii companions keep your essentials organized and uplift your decor with a whisker of whimsy. Revolutionize your painting with the aerosol car spray gun handle adapter from Buyandy. Easy grip, even spray. Perfect for any painting project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Stay tuned for more exciting content.